How to find secret mode settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find secret mode settings on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after click on it, click settings, and here you will find personal browsing data. Click on it and click secret mode settings, and as you see here we can manage secret mode settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.